Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. And on this video, we are going to pair it with its support app. This smartwatch is using the GloryFit application. Based here on the user manual, we have the QR code here. We have the iOS and the Google Play Store. So it has support for the Google Play Store. We have the QR code here for the Play Store. And as you can see here, scan to download the GloryFit app. So this smartwatch is using the GloryFit application. And on this video, we are going to have a step-by-step guide, a demo on how to connect, to pair your TechLife Smartwatch Neo with the GloryFit app on Android smartphone. We'll have a separate video for the iOS or iPhone device. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. And again, if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe now to our YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and set up our TechLife Smartwatch Neo with our Android smartphone. As I have said earlier, the smartwatch is using the GloryFit app. Okay, so we'll just search it on Google Play Store. We'll not scan the QR code anymore. Just search GloryFit app. We have the GloryFit here, as you can see. GloryFit Smartwear. So this is the application for our smartwatch, and as you can see, a very popular smartwatch support app. 10 million plus downloads. So tap on install. Let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install the app on our Android smartphone. So let's wait for it. And we have 100% here. It's now installing. And it is done. Then now, let's start and open the application. Okay, so it is now completed. Let's open the app. We have here user agreement and privacy policy. Agree to it to continue. As you can see here, it is asking to register. In our case, because this is just a demo, we'll ignore it and go directly to the dashboard or to the main page. If you want to store your data, you can sign up using your Facebook account or Google account, or you can register with your email address. This time, let's just ignore this. Okay. So if you want to have a stable connection, you can let it run in the background. We have instructions here. Okay, we'll ignore this. Mail, next. So profile, we'll leave it as it is. Then next. Okay, complete. And as you can see here, we are already on the dashboard. So we have an option here to go to the sports section, home, device, or profile. Because we are pairing our smartwatch, you select here the device and of course select device. In order to ensure normal use of the scan, okay, I got it. Okay, access location information. Then while using the app, we have another permission here. Allow. It is now searching for our smartwatch. Is it our smartwatch? TLS WN. As you can see here, this is our model here. Tap on to connect. It's now connecting. And allow GloryFit to access your contacts. This is for the Bluetooth call. We'll allow it. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. For the SMS, push notifications, allow it. And as you can see, we are connected. Okay, so let's check. Watch faces, call reminder. Let's set, enable. Okay, go back. App reminder, will activate it, confirm. Allow notification access for the Glory Fit. Go to the Glory Fit here, then allow. Okay, as you can see, activated. Go back. You can now activate some of the apps here. You will now be able to receive push notifications. Okay, then go back. So we have the Bluetooth call with watch here. You can sync the contacts. Open. Add a number. Then import. Okay, let's see. Is it imported to our smartwatch? Call, contacts. No, not yet. Tap again for the import. Finish sync. And we have here the number. Okay. Everything's okay. Go back. Call reminder, turned off. Activate it. Just enable if there's permission. Allow. Allow. And that's it. Okay, universal settings. Follow the system. Okay, let's see. Shake to take pictures. Will not activate that. Okay. Turned on. Let's turn this off for auto test. Okay. So that's it for the pairing of our TechLive Smartwatch Neo. As you can see, very direct, very easy to pair. And seems like it is stable. We already set the Bluetooth call, as well as the call reminder, SMS, and app notifications. So everything is set for our TechLive Smartwatch Neo. So if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.